I'm Danny.
I'm Sam.
And we actually live in Albany Park, and we've been in this house now for 4 months. So when we bought the house, the fireplace was actually the same stone, but all the way up to the ceiling. And we kind of knew from the get-go that we wanted to do something with it eventually. But when we actually did our final walkthrough for purchasing the house, we walked around this other side, which we hadn't done before, and discovered that there were actually the original stained glass windows there.
In terms of the fireplace, we started just ripping off the tile one by one, and when we saw the light coming through that first stained glass window, it was like, oh, like we were so excited. And yeah, they were a little broken. We went to this local repair shop called Fredrick's Stained Glass, and he helped us fix one that was more badly broken. Danny did the trim and lightened the mantle, and then I whitewashed the stone so it wasn't as dark, and I kind of wanted to distress it a bit so that it looked a little lived in.
The plaster back there was so damaged, we ended up drywalling it in, and for a long time it was just the stained glass windows. And then we eventually decided when we stripped down the mantle to oak that, you know what, maybe let's try and match that white oak and give it a little more character.
I think we're really happy with the final result. One of my favorite parts are the frames of the window, because I just know that Danny made them by hand, so it's kind of special. And also I just love the history and color that the stained glass window brings into the room. I feel like it just really makes the room feel alive.